Yay, I'm there. Maybe Grandma's here.
Oh yeah, Link.
What?
You never threw your voice message away. So, there's like a little purple portal thingy that will, take you to Ganon's tower. And Ganon's tower is where I am. Because Ganondorf took me there. So, yeah. Oh, there's the entrance.
There's the portal.
Okay. Yeah, go in there.
Okay, Grandma, you can shut up.
Okay, sorry about that.
Whoa. This place is creepy. Wait here, Bodhi. Moreover. Hey, did your voice change?
Link, I'm in this door.
Okay.
Oh, jeez. Door, stupid boy.
Hey, you said you were in this door.
Oh, yeah, well, I was wrong. Sorry about that. I'm in the door without the door.
Oh, now you tell me. Whoa. A lot of stairs. We. Okay, getting a little dizzy here. Dizzy. Oh my god, what's up with all these stairs? Jeez! Ganondorf. Grandma's Ganondorf fat?
Yes?
Jeez, he shouldn't be. He has to walk up these stairs all the time. It's a big door. Whoa, this place is cool. Licorice! Yummy. Whoa. Ew, that ain't licorice. Magical misty purple juice stuff. Yummy. Hey, who are you? Die. Ah, he's on me. Get off. Die. You die. Die. Ah, what's that? It's the talking lady god dude thing. I know what I must use in my magic baggie. You get out this thingy. And, now I use it. I almost fell.
Link, Ganondorf's in there, get ready!
Oh my gosh! Zelda! How are you doing?
Give me your bow so I can shoot him.
What's wrong with your voice?
I have a cold.
Oh. Ha. Die. Where's my grandma? I don't know what you're talking about, fool. I don't have your grandma.
Link, he doesn't have your grandma. What the heck are you talking about?
He doesn't have a... Ow! Whoa.
Ow!
Die, Ganondorf. Oh, man. What's your problem? I don't have your grandma, man. So quit blaming me. Wait,
Grandma?
Grandma! Answer the voice message. God. Ow! Quit hitting me. That hurts. That hurts. So stop it. Oh man. Die! Ow, that hurt. Oh, one man now. Die. Ouch. Bring it on, Ganon fatty. Ganon dork. Die, 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 die. Ow! Man, what's your problem? Whoa! Die. Stupid head. Ow! Quit hitting me, that hurts. Wow. Ah, you almost got me, but you didn't, did you, fatty? I missed. You stupid boy. You can never defeat me. Die. Die, 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 die. No. What happened? Oh, Link's in trouble. I must save him. Ow. You hurt me. Oh, he jumped. No fair, Ganondorf. You can't jump. That's cheating. Come on, Zelda, shoot him. Oh, nice going, Link. You just told him the plan. Sorry. Quit.
Link, you have to distract him. Are you ready? I'll aim for him and you use your shield. Do you get it?
No, don't wait for me. Don't wait for me. I'm not ready. No, no. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. Did I kill him? I see the sky, I see pretty stars. I am turning to stone now. I am dying. Oh my god, I look so fat. Oh my god. I never had your grandma. So bye bye. Then where is my grandma?
Nobody knows.